So, who are you beyond the title?
I'm a teacher at heart, and that's really how I see myself. I've spent over 2 decades inside schools in various roles, and where I've been a teacher, I've led some schools, I've built schools, I've even rebuilt schools across various systems and countries. And after all of this experience, I realized that good intentions alone aren't enough. And while we do care very deeply and very passionately about what we do, good schools don't just happen by accident. They really do require a lot of deliberate planning in the way we teach, in what we teach, in how we lead, and even in the ecosystem that we're trying to create. And while enthusiasm can certainly launch a school, thoughtful design is what allows it to endure. And how the academics connect to the culture, how leadership supports teachers, how systems quietly shape a child's everyday experience. And when all those pieces align together, children don't just cope with schooling, they really start to flourish. And that's what I really focus on, which is giving a school clarity, ensuring there is alignment between the home and the school, and building a learning environment with absolute intention.
What drives your passion?
It's got to be the responsibility that I carry. Parents entrust us with their children during their most formative years of their lives, and that is really not a light responsibility. It demands so much of rigor, it demands a lot of clarity, it demands a lot of courage on our side as well, to carry that responsibility, especially when the standards are so high and expectations are absolutely real. And because education is never just about performance, it shapes how a child sees themselves, which is the most important aspect of education. And how the children respond to challenge, how they measure their own sense of self-worth, and the identity that they are actually shaping, which at that age, when they're so young, is so fragile. And our role is really to strengthen that and not compromise on any experiences. And for me, I feel that responsibility is the driving force behind everything that we actually build.
If you could change one thing about education in India, what would it be?
I would actually change the pace and the mindset behind it. Because what I have noticed is that we're often in a rush. We're in a rush to finish content. We're in a rush to produce visible results. We're always in a rush to compare our children to somebody else when our children are so young. But what we fail to understand is that deep learning takes time, and these are not things that can be rushed. Judgment needs to take time as well. Building confidence takes time, and I believe this very, very strongly. And I feel that children should not have to shrink to fit into a system, and the systems must expand to fit the children into it. And when we design education that way, we see that performance just improves naturally because confidence is intact.
What makes the One School different?
One thing that I feel so happy and proud about is that we didn't begin planning the One School with the building. We actually began with a very important question, which was we asked ourselves, what are the standards that we're willing to be held to? So before opening our doors, we clarified very clearly what our academic standards are going to be. And we brought together a group of very experienced IB educators, where we then established our expectations, and not just for our students, but for ourselves as well. And this isn't just a school which is trying to figure out excellence on the go. It's a school which has been built by people who truly understand what excellence requires and how it needs to be arrived at as well. That preparation changes everything that we do. We're not interested in being impressive. We're really interested in being very well prepared for our children. And when a school is prepared, our children feel it and they experience the preparedness of a school. This is not just another school that we're looking to open in a city. It is truly a commitment to doing education properly and to doing it for the children who truly deserve to have a very well thought out and intentional and purposeful school experience.